Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will see how can we download Oracle VirtualBox and install it in our Windows machine. So for downloading Oracle VirtualBox we need to go to the Oracle official site. It is better to go to the respective official site and download the software always so that we can get the updated version. So if we do not know the link correctly, we can take the help of Google. Let's say oracle.com and I need to go to downloads page. So yes, we are in downloads link directly. Yes, we are in downloads link, and once we will browse this downloads link, we can see different segregations: database, middleware, applications, IT infrastructure, and Java developer tools, drivers and utilities, open source applications. So the software which we need to download falls under IT infrastructure. So we need to click on IT infrastructure, and here clearly we can see VM server as well as VM VirtualBox. We need to install VM VirtualBox, so I need to click on it, and here we can able to see different flavors of VM VirtualBox with respect to different operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Solaris, Ubuntu and others. Fine. Now as I am a Windows user, I can go for Windows installer. So let us download Windows installer. Let's click on it. It will take 1 to 2 minutes time to download. See, the download is under process. Let us wait till the software is getting downloaded. It's showing 2 minutes. Let us wait for some time. Why I am suggesting always to go for the respective official link? The reason is nothing but to get the updated version of the software what we are using, so that no compatibility problem will come into the picture. It's again showing few seconds. It is again showing 40 to 45 seconds. Let's check. It's going to complete now. Yes, the job is done. You can able to see here VirtualBox has been downloaded successfully. Now we need to go for downloads and get the software which has been downloaded. Here it is. We can copy it to the specific drive where we are maintaining the softwares. Let me go to the computer. In my case it is F drive and software needed folder. Here it is. Let me just create a new folder to keep all the VirtualBox softwares. Right, now I have created it, and let's say VirtualBox softwares, and here let me paste. Yes, I got the Oracle VirtualBox software, and let us refresh. Yes, now to install I need to click on this. As my system is Windows, it is asking whether I need to install it or not. As it is Microsoft product, install anyway. it's getting installed. We are in the first screen. Welcome to Oracle VM VirtualBox. It is showing the version of the VirtualBox, that is 6.1.12 setup wizard. Let's click on next. Here if you want to disable some feature which you don't want, you can go for that. I'm not doing it anyway. We need to click on next. Warning message will always come when you will install Oracle VirtualBox. Just it will show temporarily you will be disconnected from your network. It is fine. Click on yes. Now click on install. So let us click on install. Yes, so it is verified publisher alert message. Click on yes. Now the installation is going on. Yeah, it's asking for device software, Oracle Corporation, individual serial bus. Okay, so let us say install. I think that one is for sharing the data from base machine to virtual machine. So even you could have ignored that, that is not a problem, but let us do it because we can use it further. Oracle VirtualBox installation is completed. Let us click on finish. Now as we created the shortcut, yes, here it is, it has already been launched. You can able to see the tool, it has already been launched over here, but still I am again showing you Oracle VirtualBox has been installed and it has created one shortcut over here. To launch it, we can click on this shortcut and we can create the virtual machine by using the file and going to virtual machine manager and add the virtual machine. Probably we will see how to create a virtual machine in the upcoming videos. I hope it is useful for all of you. Thank you so much for watching it.